this curry over here, right? It's made out of cow's, breast, right? It's called the Khiri Gurda. It's called the Khiri Gurda, and this is the, cow's. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, today I'm gonna go to a environment like, it's a Muslim environment in a place called Ripon Street. Ripon Street, Mehdi Bagan here in Kolkata, right? And I'm gonna show you the real authentic, street lunch that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So let's go explore this place. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. And yeah, let's go explore this place. Let's go, guys. Right guys, so here we are, right? So today I'm gonna show you the most authentic, street lunch that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So I'm in an environment like this. It's a busy, market kind of a thing, and people they live in these buildings here, right? So let's go and see the type of food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? So look guys, this is, the beef curry, right? This is the beef curry that you get over here, right? And this is the fish curry. It's, that's the fish head, that's the fish tail, and that's vegetable, curry, right? It's made out of, potato and eggplant. I don't know what's this. What's this? Oh, this is the egg, right? Egg. Look, this is the egg. This is the egg curry, and this is beef as well. But you call this the beef bhuna. It's because they cook this beef curry like on this pan on top of this charcoal like for an hour or two. They just cook it on this pan. That's what they call this beef bhuna, right? And the environment looks like this. You see people are enjoying lunch over here, and the time right now is 2 in the afternoon. This is how it is, guys. And look guys, as the massive pot of rice. Look guys, so this is something very unique that you get to see here in the street of Kolkata, right? And look guys, this is the lentil. It's called the dal, right? This is the lentil, right? And the rice over here, okay? People love to eat rice here in the street of Kolkata, right? This is how it is. And what's this? Those chicken. Okay, guys, this is the chicken curry, Yeah, and this? Khiri Gurda. Khiri Gurda वो सीना से बनाते हैं ना? Right, guys. Right. Well, guys. This curry over here, right? It's made out of cow's, breast, right? It's called the Khiri Gurda. It's called the Khiri Gurda, and this is the, cow's intestine, right? So, and this is the lentil. That's the aloo bhaji. It's called the aloo bhaji. Kerala aloo. Okay, brother. Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you for your time. आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name?
Mohammed Tawhid.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Bye bye. And let me show you from the out, right? Look, guys, look. And this one is called the chop, right? Dude, ये ला chop है ना? Oh, sorry, guys. This is called the Sami Tikya, right? Look, this is how it is. So these are the authentic street food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? And this is the beef curry as well. Okay, they cook it on this a big tube on the charcoal, right? So the environment looks like this, like where I am at the moment. Look guys, this is how it is. So this brother is selling fruits just outside this eating place. So he has all different kinds of fruits here, right? This is the Australian grapes. That's the Australian grapes. and he has orange, banana, and even has green apple, right? Look, this is the green apple, and the environment looks like this. And they even have a a sweet shop here. Look, this is the sweet shop. Look, guys, you only get this here on the street of Kolkata. Look, guys, this is how it is. So, as I said, right now the time is about 2 in the afternoon. So people love to have this for lunch. And you see all the food here, right? They cook it on the charcoal here, right? That's the piping hot charcoal. They cook all of this food here, and I showed you inside, right? Inside. Right. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog, right? So basically I was trying to show you the authentic street food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? And yeah, so I will see you in my next vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memory, love, peace, and please guys, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye guys, and subscribe. Bye.